Hi everyone, this bike has been staring at me for a while now. I know it's going to be really popular because it's a 1980 Suzuki RM400, which are a really popular choice for twin shock racing. I'm calling it a Hillbilly racer as it's got quite a few dodgy mods done to it, which we'll look at in a bit more detail. But underneath that, it's a really decent original bike which just needs a bit of love. When we look past the knackered plastics, she really looks pretty good. The engine casings look in very good order. The original foot pegs and the rear brake pedal look almost brand new. The frame rails are in perfect condition, and that original expansion chamber only has the smallest of dents in it. It's amazing really when you think it's 45 years old. All of the paint on the frame and the engine is original, which is such a good sign for these old bikes. The plastic fuel tank looks in good order and has petrol in it, though it doesn't smell very good and I'm sure it wouldn't make the bike run. This is the original Suzuki date and model sticker, which again is great to see. The left hand side of the motor looks in good order too, as well as the right. It's looking to me as though it's actually not done a lot at all, this bike. The front wheel looks really good, it's perfectly round. And the chrome on the front forks doesn't look pitted at all. It's got the original front number board on it, but it has seen better days, so you probably will want to change that. And the front brake plate looks perfect. Now, all looks as the rest of the bike, but check out this side stand. An awesome bit of Hillbilly engineering at its finest. Now, really though, I do love this. This is the original airbox cover. They're normally missing, so it's amazing to have found this one. And not only is it still there, it's in perfect condition. And now one of my favourite parts of this bike are the grips. They're made of radiator hose. True Hillbilly racing genius. The rear shocks have leaked, so need replacing or rebuilding depending on what you're going to do with the bike. If you're racing it, stick a fresh set on there. The rear wheel looks just like the front. It's perfect. There's no dents at all. And the brake plate, again, just like the front. We've got the original side panels on there. Original silencer. Now it's time for us to do the gearbox check and to listen to that big bore 2-stroke engine fire into life. So we're in neutral there. Down into first. Up into second. Third. Fourth. And fifth. Back down into fourth. Third. Second. And neutral. So there's all 5 gears. Changing nicely. So all good. Who'd have thought it from the Hillbilly racing bike, that it sounds as good as that? Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe or follow my channel. Have a great day and watch out for more of my videos.